Alright, what's up, you guys? Okay, update with the crypto market. So here we have Bitcoin, right? Yesterday we were in the daily. Let's go to the daily. We closed today, and this is where we were yesterday, Friday night, right? And this was the area that I said pay attention to between these two areas right here. So let's just draw a box, and I'll take it away right now. So once I go to the small time frames, it'll be a daily, and this is gonna be green. 4 candle. You see that does a U 1 hour candle. All right. So this area where we're stuck yesterday. Remember, it was around 10, 11 o'clock or so that I was making videos, right? So you can, just so you can visually see this shit. So we were here chilling here yesterday, and I said, I think it was 11 or 1 o'clock. Can't remember. 11 or 12 around there. So anyways, I was telling you guys that by that by 1 o'clock we needed to make a move. I believe I said here we wanted to shoot on up, and then 5 o'clock will take us up here. Or we'll sustain here at 1 o'clock and then shoot on up, or shoot on up at 1 o'clock, and then from there continue close here at 5 o'clock. I'll be really surprised if we shot up above here at 5 in the morning, but for sure 5 in the morning by here, and then from there on, the next 4 hours we would have tried and went for this move right here. And this is your goal. This is your goal for the week. We not right here, but we want to close above this area right here. So here we have 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. So we close the 4 candle right here. So that was still good. Then you have right after that, right after it closes, another good signal. Shoot on up. This was telling you, hey, we're about to go up. That way you can close here at 5 o'clock, which you did. 5 in the morning, 12-hour candle. Alright, 12-hour candle closed right here. Alright, so we close right there. Now we're gonna buy time here, and we're going to want to close here at 9 o'clock. It's most likely gonna respect this white line here and close here at 9 o'clock. And if anything, it's just gonna close here 9 o'clock. That way, the rest of the 8 hours candle after that, from 9 to 1 and from 9 to 5, is gonna have time to shoot through this or end up closing up here. By 5 in the morning, we want to be out of here, whatnot. But if we're still here, that's still good news. What you don't want is to go back down in this area right here, whatnot. To take a thin look of how strong or if it's gonna hold. You look at Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum's making the same fucking move, whatnot. 1 o'clock, 2. All right. So again, it wants to close inside this box right here, because again, we want to go to the main goal. So to go to the main goal, you go to the monthly, because you want to see the top areas that it really wants to hold or go for. So this, we got this area here. It's gonna be hard to pass. Go for red. And it's a weekly, so I'm gonna go for blue. So the goal for this week, I want to say, is to at least closed inside here, or in general, close inside of here. Because if you notice, and I keep mentioning this, after we shot up, we created this little support area. We broke it, but we're buying off of it. That's fucking good right there. And I'm gonna show you why too with this indicator. This is called the the auto, what is it called? Auto Fibonacci retracement. My bad, stupid ass. Fibonacci retracement. So what I tell you is, I think I was playing a video. It reads it from here to the bottom. Pretty much, if the market goes up and has a hard time passing this 50, it lets you know the market is gonna have a hard time and it's gonna start going back down. Especially depending on what time you're at. If you're good at reading the Bitcoin time and knowing at what time it's gonna crack, meaning it's gonna whether it be go up or down, that's what you want for. That's how you can read these moves. Right here, this is all telling me bullishness. You got the monthly that it passed the 50 and it's having trouble shooting on up, and it keeps breaking it, but this move right here is telling me, yeah, it's telling me the market is gonna go up. It's gonna consolidate. It's gonna buy time. Like I said, if the crypto market would have gone down already, it would have gone down already. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in that price range. If the market would have fell down, the market would have fell down already. You see it right here? You see it right here? That's normal shit. Doing this is telling you, hey, we're still good. Otherwise, once the market breaks certain price ranges, the market follows. The market follows. You haven't seen Bitcoin like this. When you see Bitcoin like that, what happens? What happens when it gets stuck in some area for a long time and it starts recovering? What happens? That's this, and then this is what Ethereum and Bitcoin are telling you right now. Especially for 6 months, or it's waiting and we're really gonna get dumped, and it's gonna be later on, maybe at the end of this month, at the beginning of next month, or it's gonna hold this whole fucking time and start going back up. Especially how I want to close above the 50, especially how everything's setting up right now. How I told you, hey, we're still gonna continue going up because we still got Saturday and Sunday, and seeing how it's holding and whatnot. Anyways, then you have the weekly. Same thing with the weekly. Look how it shut up above the 50. Resistance on the support on the 50. Support again the 50. All this is bullishness. All this telling you we're still going up to hold on. Alright. So back to this. Another thing Bitcoin does, and Ethereum, whatever, my bad. So now that it's in here and hit the resistance, you see hit the weekly resistance, now it's gonna buy time here. It's gonna act like it's gonna go down, and it's mostly gonna buy and create some sort of support in this region right here above this weekly. And then you guys see Bitcoin do the same. You guys see it do the same. Most likely break through this and gradually come on up, or it's gonna break through this and just bullshit around here this time. That's what they're gonna do. Watch, they're not gonna go down here in this area. They're not gonna go back down to the area they just shot up from. They're gonna fucking buy time there in the area. Watch. Just you watch the best. Alright, you guys, that's all. That's all for Bitcoin Ethereum. They're still holding, they're still maintaining. There's no really whatnot. Tomorrow we'll check. We had the Fed talking on Tuesday, so it's gonna be an interesting week. But besides that, that's all, you guys. I don't want to make this shit any more longer. This is Brian Seacrest. I'm out.